Chemicals found in body washes, fabric softeners, shampoos, sunscreens, shaving creams, and even baby wipes can lead to neurological disorders like autism and chronic disease of the nervous system. We are not the ones saying this. A proper study by researchers at Western Reserve University School of Medicine in the US state of Ohio has made this startling revelation. In the hustle and bustle of our daily lives, we frequently ignore the potential risks that hide within our houses. While we diligently clean and disinfect our living surroundings, we may be unintentionally exposing ourselves to toxins that are harmful to our brain health. Studies have shown that many common household chemicals can penetrate the blood-brain barrier, potentially wreaking havoc on our neurological systems. As per the scientists, these chemicals are found in disinfectants, wipes and hand sanitizers, furniture, electronics and textiles, toothpaste and mouthwash. Neurological problems impact millions of people, but only a fraction of cases can be attributed to genetics alone, indicating that unknown environmental factors are important contributors. Of more than 40,000 chemicals used in consumer products, less than 1% have been rigorously tested for human safety. These chemicals in home products specifically affect the brain's oligodendrocytes. Oligodendrocytes are special cells found in the brain and spinal cord. Their main job is to create a protective covering that wraps around the nerve cells, kind of like insulation around wires. This covering, called myelin, helps nerve cells send messages faster and more efficiently. So, that makes oligodendrocytes play a crucial role in making sure your brain and nervous system work properly by helping nerve cells communicate effectively. Although researchers added that further research should track the chemical levels in the brain of adults and children to determine the amount and length of exposure needed to cause or worsen disease, it still raises concerns for professionals with frequent exposures to disinfectants such as cleaners and child care providers. Well, these common household products are not just messing up with your brain health, but also your physical health entirely. Many cleaning supplies or household products can irritate the eyes or throat or cause headaches. Some products release dangerous chemicals, including volatile organic compounds, VOCs, are chemicals that vaporize at room temperature. Even natural fragrances such as citrus can lead to produce dangerous pollutant indoors. VOCs and other chemicals released when using cleaning supplies contribute to chronic respiratory problems, allergic reactions and headaches. Studies are underway to assess how these chemicals affect people who have asthma and other respiratory illnesses. Studies even link exposure to chemicals from cleaning supplies to occupational asthma and other respiratory illnesses. So, what can be done? How to save us from such toxic substances living under our roof? As a safer cleaning alternative, warm water and soap often will do the trick, especially at home. Baking soda is good for scrubbing. A mix of vinegar and water can clean glass. When using cleaning or household products, keep the area well ventilated. Open windows and doors. Never use cleaning products in a small and enclosed space. And for other products, one simple trick can be followed to distinguish dangerous products from relatively safer ones. Let's first find out what makes a household product hazardous. What you have to do first is read the label. Look for the words danger, warning or caution on the product label. Danger is the most hazardous product. Warning or caution are less hazardous products. Pesticides, paint thinners and many auto products and some cleaners are toxic. Toxic materials are either poisonous or cause long-term illnesses such as cancer. Flammable materials burn easily. Paint, thinners and other solvents and auto products are the most flammable home products. Look for words on the product label like do not use near heat or flame, combustible, do not smoke while using this product. Corrosive eats through material, acid for example, oven cleaners, drain cleaners, toilet bowl cleaners and auto batteries are common corrosive products. Look for words on the product label like causes severe burns on contact, can burn eyes, skin or throat. By practicing caution and mindfulness, you can safeguard yourself and your loved ones from the hidden dangers of common household chemicals because when it comes to your health and well-being, prevention is the key.